and louder than ever. The 2026 Harley-Davidson V-Rod roars onto the scene with modern muscle, serious attitude, and a bold nod to its rebellious roots. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're breaking down one of the most talked about returns in the cruiser world. Design. The new V-Rod doesn't just show up, it demands attention. Sleek, low, and aggressive, it blends that classic drag-style silhouette with updated materials and sharper lines. You've got a stretched-out stance, fat rear tyre, and just the right amount of blackout finishes. Harley didn't mess with the formula too much, and that's a good thing. But the 2026 version does bring updated LED lighting, new colour options, and improved rider ergonomics that give it a more refined edge. Performance. At the heart of it all is the updated Revolution Max V4 engine, a liquid-cooled powerhouse that brings high-revving performance and torque-rich delivery. It pulls hard, sounds mean, and feels surprisingly smooth at speed. Harley's made sure this V-Rod is more than just a straight-line bruiser. Improved suspension and Brembo brakes help it corner and stop with confidence. It's raw muscle, now with manners. Features and technology. Tech-wise, the 2026 V-Rod comes equipped with a crisp TFT display, ride modes, traction control, cornering ABS, and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get keyless ignition, cruise control, and Harley's latest performance tracking system, all designed to give you more control without taking away the soul of the ride. Conclusion? So, is the 2026 V-Rod worth the hype? If you want iconic styling, modern performance, and that unmistakable Harley growl, it absolutely is. It's a rebirth done right. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to Next Gen Reviews, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you ridden the new V-Rod? Thinking about it? Let's talk about it below, and we'll see you in the next one.